Have you ever wondered how the premium Basmati rice served on dinner tables around the world is produced on a massive industrial scale? Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's largest Basmati rice factories, where thousands of tons of rice are processed, sorted, packaged, and shipped every year using advanced technology and precision engineering. The journey begins in the vast rice fields of South Asia, where Basmati rice is carefully cultivated under ideal climate conditions. Known for its distinctive aroma, extra long grains, and exceptional quality, Basmati rice is considered one of the most valuable rice varieties in the world. After months of growth, the rice is harvested using modern agricultural machinery capable of collecting enormous quantities in a short period of time. The freshly harvested rice, known as paddy rice, still contains an outer husk that must be removed before it can be consumed. Large trucks transport the harvested paddy from farms directly to the factory. Upon arrival, every shipment undergoes strict quality inspections. Advanced testing equipment checks moisture levels, grain size, purity, and overall quality to ensure only the best rice enters the production line. Once approved, the rice moves into massive cleaning systems. Here, powerful machines remove dust, stones, straw, and other unwanted materials. Multiple layers of vibrating screens, air separators, and magnetic detectors work together to eliminate impurities and prepare the rice for further processing. The cleaned rice is then sent to specialized drying facilities. Proper drying is one of the most critical stages in rice production. The moisture content must be carefully controlled to preserve grain quality and prevent damage during milling. Sophisticated monitoring systems continuously track temperature and humidity throughout the process. Next comes the aging stage, which makes Basmati rice truly special. Unlike ordinary rice, premium Basmati is often aged for several months or even years in enormous storage warehouses. During this time, the grains gradually lose excess moisture and develop their famous fragrance and cooking characteristics. This aging process significantly enhances the rice's quality and market value. After aging, the rice enters the milling section of the factory. Here, high-speed machines remove the outer husk and bran layers while carefully preserving the delicate grain structure. Precision milling equipment operates with incredible accuracy to maximize yield while maintaining the long, slender appearance that Basmati rice is known for. Once milling is complete, the rice moves to advanced optical sorting systems. This is where modern technology truly shines. Using high-resolution cameras, laser sensors, and artificial intelligence, the sorting machines inspect thousands of grains every second. Any grain that appears broken, discolored, immature, or defective is instantly identified and removed using powerful bursts of compressed air. The result is a highly uniform product that meets strict international quality standards. The sorted rice is then graded according to size, length, and quality. Different grades are separated automatically and prepared for various markets around the world. Premium export quality Basmati receives the highest level of inspection before packaging. In the packaging department, automation takes center stage. Massive packaging machines accurately weigh and fill rice into bags ranging from small consumer packs to large commercial sacks. Every package is sealed, labeled, and coded with batch information for complete traceability. Robotic systems then arrange the bags onto pallets with remarkable speed and precision. Automated conveyors transport the finished products through the warehouse, where they await shipment. But before leaving the factory, additional quality checks are performed. Samples from every production batch are tested for purity, grain length, moisture content, and overall consistency. These strict quality control procedures help ensure customers receive the same premium product every time. The scale of operations inside these factories is truly astonishing. Some facilities process hundreds of tons of rice every day, operating around the clock to meet global demand. Advanced automation, skilled workers, and sophisticated logistics systems work together to keep production running efficiently. Once packaged, the rice is loaded into shipping containers and transported to supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, and distributors across the globe. From Asia and the Middle East to Europe, North America, and beyond, millions of consumers enjoy Basmati rice produced in facilities like this every day. What begins as a simple grain growing in a field undergoes an extraordinary transformation through science, engineering, and precision manufacturing. From harvesting and cleaning to aging, milling, sorting, and packaging, every step is carefully controlled to create the premium Basmati rice recognized worldwide for its quality and flavor. And the next time you enjoy a plate of fragrant Basmati rice, you'll know the incredible journey it took through one of the world's largest rice factories before reaching your table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating factory tours from around the world.